Hi, my name is Yogita and I'm here with some daily vocabulary words. Sweeping statement, which means a thoughtless statement. All at sea, which means puzzled. Enough rope, which means enough freedom for action. By fits and start, which means irregularly. Fell foul of, which means got into trouble with. Token strike, which means short strike held as warning. Face the music, which means to face trouble. Look down upon, which means hate intensely. Flogging a dead horse, which means wasting time in useless effort. Under a cloud, which means under suspicion. Great green thumb, which means to have a natural interest. Played havoc, which means caused destruction. No love lost, which means not on good terms. Fair and square, which means honest. A white elephant, which means costly or troublesome possession. Out and out, which means totally. On the cuff, which means on credit. Does not hold water, which means cannot be believed. A wild goose chase, which means a futile search. In a tight corner, which means in a difficult situation. That's all for today. We'll be back with more vocabulary words. Thank you.